Drone enthusiasts worldwide are gearing up for what may be one of the most exciting launches of the year. DJI, the industry leader in consumer and professional drones, is preparing to unveil its latest model, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. According to insider leaks and reliable reports, this drone will officially launch on September 16, 2025, and it promises a long list of upgrades over its predecessor, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. With new technology, enhanced imaging capabilities, updated design features, and flexible bundle options, the Mini 5 Pro looks set to dominate the lightweight drone category. This comprehensive guide explores everything we know so far about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, from confirmed specifications to pricing structures, bundle options, camera technology, gimbal stabilization, flight time, and even region-specific availability concerns. Released at ETH global launch date for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is currently set for September 16, 2025. This release timing strategically places the drone just ahead of the busy holiday season, making it one of the year's most anticipated tech gadgets. While Europe is expected to receive the drone without significant delays, the United States release may face complications. Import restrictions and FAA-related approvals could slow the timeline, potentially pushing availability to late 2025 or early 2026. Despite this, FCC registrations have already confirmed the device for US markets, which is a positive indication that delays may not be long-term. Pricing for the DJI Mini 5 Pro has been revealed for the European market, and it offers options for different budgets and use cases. Drone only, €614 Fly More combo with 2 batteries, €986 expanded Fly More combo with 3 52-minute batteries, and the DJI RC controller, around €1,473. Accessories are also priced separately. Standard batteries, €69, extended batteries, €99. Charging hub, €49, propeller set, €55, ND filter sets, Euro 5 5G care refresh will also be available. Offering the 1-year plan is priced at €80, while the 2-year plan will cost €129. When compared to previous Mini models, the Mini 5 Pro's pricing appears slightly higher, but that's largely justified by its expanded features, better camera, longer flight times, and improved stabilization. Build and design. The Mini series has always been focused on portability and convenience, and the Mini 5 Pro carries this tradition forward while introducing new design improvements. One of the most notable changes is the return of easy clip-on propellers. Instead of dealing with screws and small tools, users can now quickly attach or replace propellers with a simple snap-on mechanism. This small detail greatly improves convenience, especially for beginners or frequent travelers who don't want the hassle of complicated setup. The drone will also include redesigned clip-on ND filters. These filters not only make it easier to adjust exposure in bright conditions but also promise to integrate seamlessly with the new camera system. Lightweight yet durable materials ensure that the Mini 5 Pro stays below the 250-gram threshold that many aviation authorities use as a regulatory cutoff. This keeps the drone in a user-friendly category that requires fewer restrictions for hobbyist pilots. Camera and imaging system. At the heart of the DJI Mini 5 Pro lies its biggest upgrade, the camera system. Leaked specifications confirm a 1-inch sensor with an f1.8 aperture, which represents a significant improvement over earlier models. This sensor size allows for improved light gathering ability, meaning better low-light performance, wider dynamic range, and more detailed imagery overall. According to the reports, the camera can capture images up to 23 megapixels, offering photographers the ability to produce sharp, vibrant shots across different lighting conditions. In addition to still photography, the Mini 5 Pro will excel in video recording. Built-in optical image stabilization helps eliminate unwanted shake, ensuring smooth footage even during fast maneuvers or windy conditions. Wide-angle and telephoto perspectives are supported, making this drone versatile for different types of aerial cinematography. The new clip-on ND filters expand creative flexibility by letting pilots control exposure more precisely. Whether shooting at golden hour, in bright midday sun, or during night flights, these filters allow users to adapt the camera to the environment. Gimbal and stabilization. Flight stability is crucial for high-quality aerial imagery, and DJI is enhancing this aspect in the Mini 5 Pro with a redesigned gimbal system. The gimbal reportedly supports 2-axis tilt and roll adjustments, allowing users to move the camera horizontally or vertically while maintaining stability. Combined with yaw stabilization, this creates a smooth flight experience and more precise control over framing. These stabilization upgrades will be especially beneficial for professional videographers, but they also cater to casual pilots who want cinematic-looking footage without complex post-production. For landscape photographers, the tilt-roll system makes it easier to capture wide panoramas or unique vertical shots with consistent stability. Flight time and battery performance. Battery life has always been one of the most important factors for drone users, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to deliver a significant leap forward. Reports suggest that the Fly More combo will include 3 52-minute batteries, providing more than 2.5 hours of total flight time. This is a considerable jump compared to earlier mini drones, which typically offered around 1 hour of usable flight time with multiple batteries. The standard battery configuration provides strong endurance on its own, but extended batteries will be available for pilots who need even more time in the air. A MagSafe-like endurance feature is said to simplify battery swaps, allowing users to replace power packs quickly without complex disassembly. Such improvements not only make the drone more appealing for professional use but also for hobbyists who want longer, uninterrupted flying sessions. Intelligent features. Bay and hardware. DJI continues to enhance its drones with intelligent flight modes and AI-powered tools. While details remain limited, leaks mention predictive AI flight assistance, follow lock modes, and landscape-specific adjustments. These tools are designed to help pilots capture cinematic footage with less manual input, reducing the learning curve for beginners. The combination of predictive stabilization and AI-guided movement will likely provide smoother subject tracking, better obstacle avoidance, and more creative automated flight paths. Accessories and extras. In addition to the main drone and its bundles, DJI will release a wide range of accessories for the Mini 5 Pro. Available add-ons include standard and extended batteries, charging hubs that can handle multiple batteries simultaneously, extra propeller sets, ND filter kits tailored for different lighting conditions. These accessories allow users to expand their setup according to their needs, whether they prioritize longer flight times, smoother visuals, or simply having spare parts on hand. Regional availability and import restrictions. Although the global launch is scheduled for September 16, 2025, regional availability may vary. Europe seems set for a smooth rollout, but the United States may face complications due to regulatory approvals and import restrictions. This isn't the first time DJI has experienced delays in the US market, but FCC registration filings suggest that approval has already been initiated. Enthusiasts in North America should expect availability between late 2025 and early 2026. DJI Care refreshes. With other DJI drones, the Mini 5 Pro will be compatible with DJI Care Refresh, the company's extended warranty and protection program. 1-year plan €80, 2-year plan €1 to 9. This coverage provides replacement services for accidental damage, crashes, or water-related incidents, making it a valuable addition for both professionals and beginners. The DJI Mini 5 Pro represents a major step forward in the evolution of lightweight drones. With its confirmed release date of September 16, 2025, drone enthusiasts can look forward to a device that balances portability with professional-grade performance. Key highlights include a powerful 1-inch f1.8 sensor, improved gimbal stabilization, easy clip-on propellers, new ND filter options, and significantly longer battery life with up to 3 52-minute batteries in the Fly More combo. Pricing starts at €614 for the drone alone and rises to €1,473 for the top-tier bundle, placing the Mini 5 Pro competitively within the market. For hobbyists, it offers simplicity, portability, and ease of use. For professionals, it delivers the imaging capabilities and endurance required for serious projects. While US buyers may have to wait a little longer due to regulatory hurdles, global drone fans will soon have access to what may become the most popular compact drone of the next generation. At nearly every level: design, performance, endurance, and imaging, the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears ready to set a new standard in its class.